Hello everyone. Hi sir. Thank you for being here today. We are excited to introduce to you our math quiz game. So a fun and educational tool designed to help students from grade 1 to grade 6 practice math through word problems. So our game not only makes learning math enjoyable but also engages students in solving real world scenarios. So let's take a look at what this project is all about. So this is our project name. Our project name is the Math Quiz Game. It is designed for grade 1 to grade 6. So next is the introduction. So let's start with an introduction to the game. So our math quiz game was designed to make learning, no, it is designed to make learning math fun by using word problems that align with the skills students learn at each grade level. So the goal is to help students practice math concepts in an interactive way. So this approach not only improves problem solving skills but also builds confidence in math. So next is the project overview. No? So what exactly does the game do? So it provides a series of word problems with a varying difficulty levels depending on the student's grade. So this is our project overview. No. So the game features interactive interfaces where players get to choose their answers and receive immediate feedback. So after completing the quiz, the game evaluates performance and encourages students to keep improving. And now let's proceed to the next slide, which is the technical details. The technical details. So the technical details of programming languages C++ and the libraries used is the SFML for graphics, Windows management, and audio. For core features is random problem generation with RAND, user input handling for real-time quiz interactions. So let's take a closer look at the technical side of things. So our game was built using C++ programming language and the SFML library for graphics, audio, and window management. So the game generates word problem using randomized operations such as addition, subtractions, multiplication, and division, which vary depending on the player's grade level. So this ensures a dynamic and engaging experience each time they play. So that is the technical details. And next slide is all about development process. So development process, it is number 1 is planning, number 2 is implementations, number 3 is testing, and 4 optimization. The development process or developing this game was not just about coding the math problems. We went through a systematic development process. We began by outlining the game's concept, followed by designing the user interface. So once the basic structures was in place, we focused on implementing the math logic and user input handling. So we also spent time testing the game to make sure it's smooth and bug-free before presenting it. So the next slide where Mr. Amon will begin to explain or to present the next slide.
So what I already mentioned it earlier. So at this moment we're gonna proceed on the testing of the project or the application that we have created. So the game that we have created through CodeBlocks and also with the help of the SFML file. So here we're gonna choose the folder that it is stored. So I got here local disk and we'll choose SFML. And then as you can see, I have here the the project that we have created, the math quiz, which is been discussed earlier by John Mark. And here we're gonna click it, open. So if you can see here, these are the datas or the cache that it consists the file. So we're gonna create these code blocks, or these we're gonna click this one. It is because this is the one who will run, or the file which is stored, where the file is stored. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna wait for a moment to make it run, and then here, okay. All right, so as you can see in the screen, is we have here the codes, and we already mentioned earlier that we have additional features through the help of SFML. So the audio, I mean the code block serves as a compiler, and the SFML feature is that it adds features to the project or the application that you're going to create. So especially in graphics or audio, if you have some if you want some additional things on that, let's say on your project that you're gonna create, or to the application that you're gonna create, so you can also search the other features of SFML. But for me, right now, we only add the graphics and the audio for this one. So we're gonna click F9, and F9 serves as a run in operation. So here, as you can see in the first landing, yeah, I mean the page is that there's an option. There's the title of the project, or the title of the application, and after you see it projected on the screen, so the next thing that it do is that it will automatically allow you to choose on what grade or what level you are going to choose or enter, so that it can project the problems according to the level desired, or the level that you desire. So here it projects here that you're gonna enter grade level 1 to 6. So you're gonna choose 1 to 6 only, right? Okay, so you're gonna input here, let's say 3. So it will automatically provide a question, and also the questions it will give is every level. It will gonna give me 5 questions every level. Okay, just to clarify that one. So as you can see, I projected, or it has already questioned the one, the first question provided. Okay, so we're going to try to solve this one. Okay, so divide 0 in this 12 children. So correct. So after you get the correct answer, it will automatically proceed to the next question. So let's say if it's wrong. So okay, so as you can see, it will also, if it's wrong, the answer, if you're gonna answer, or your answer is wrong to the question, So it will project the correct answer, and after that one, it will gonna proceed to the next question that we're gonna intend to answer. Okay, and then the other features of this one is that you are going to it's just a simple one, but for the development of the project or the application that you have or that we have created. So there are some ideas that provided.
So now for the conclusion, so the math quiz game is a fun and interactive way to help students in grades 1 to 6 to practice math. And also the project successfully combines educational content with an engaging user experience, providing personalized challenges based on the grade levels. So thank you and goodbye. So now,
Sige lang mo, paano na?
So now, good afternoon, everyone. So we're gonna proceed to the question and answer portion, in which John Mark will gonna ask a question, and after that, I'm gonna answer that for you for additional information that you need to know.
So first question is, how does the game determine the difficulty level for each user?
So the game adjusts its difficulty based on the grade level chosen by the player at the start of the game, and when the player selects the grade level from 1 to 6, so the game uses the grade level to modify the range of numbers in the math problems. And for example, so a student in grade 1 will get simpler problems with smaller numbers, and while a student in grade 6 will receive more challenging problems with the larger numbers and more complex operations. So next, the next question will be, what happens if the player gives an incorrect answer?
So if the player gives an incorrect answer, the game provides immediate feedback, so informing them of the correct answer. So the player then moves on the next question. This helps encourage learning by providing a quick correction without disrupting the flow of the game. And lastly is the game suitable for all age groups, or is it specifically for grade 1 to grade 6?
So the answer would be, while the game is primarily designed for students in grades 1 to 6, so the difficulty can be adjusted for any age group by modifying the grade selection range. And however, it is optimized to support elementary and early middle school students, so as it aims to make math practice fun and accessible for them. So
That's all.
that would be all, and I hope you learned something new, and thank you.